my name's Jen Degenhardt. I'm a Spanish teacher and author of many comprehensible novels for students learning language. Over this past year, I've been to several conferences where teachers have told me that while they like the idea of using a novel, they don't really know where to start. So I have teamed up with Idioma Consulting and I have created a workshop for those kinds of teachers who just don't know where to start. In fact, the workshop is called Where Do I Start? Introduction to Comprehensible Novels. This is a 3-week workshop, and you can earn up to 15 PDPs or CEUs or whatever you call them in your state, professional development credits. And what I have done is take you through how to choose a novel for your students and give you time to read some novels through an online platform called digilingua.co, and also to show you how you can start planning out the use of a novel. This novel stuff has revolutionized my own teaching, and I hope that it can do the same for you. It has lessened my planning considerably, and it has really ramped up my love of being in the classroom and talking about things besides grammar and vocabulary lists. So I hope you'll join me. It starts on July 29th. It's asynchronous and virtual, and you will get something out of this for sure and get you started for the new school year. I hope to see you.